The human figure represents the anatomical context for understanding honey consumption. Internal organs are visible to illustrate the initial state before honey ingestion. This provides a clear reference point for observing the subsequent digestive processes. The presence of honey in hand indicates the start of the consumption and digestion sequence. Honey enters the stomach and coats its inner lining. The stomach's folds and gastric fluids begin to interact with the honey. This interaction initiates the digestion process. The honey starts to break down into simpler compounds. The small intestine is the primary site for nutrient absorption. Nutrients from digested food, such as honey, are absorbed into the body. Absorption occurs through the intestinal walls. Absorbed nutrients then enter blood vessels. These blood vessels transport the nutrients throughout the body. Honey provides essential nutrients that benefit the entire body. These nutrients are distributed throughout the body via the circulatory system. Organs receive vital support from honey's nutritional components. Muscles benefit from the energy-boosting properties of honey. The overall effect is an energized and revitalized body. Honey-derived nutrients are transported to the brain via the bloodstream. These nutrients interact with neuronal synapses, initiating activation. Synaptic activation leads to enhanced neurotransmitter release and signaling. This process causes neurons to exhibit increased activity, visualized as glowing. Neural pathways, responsible for information transmission, become more active. The overall effect is enhanced brain function, reflected in improved cognitive processes. Nutrients are transported into muscle tissues via the bloodstream. These nutrients fuel muscle function and promote growth. Adequate nutrition promotes the growth and repair of muscle fibers. This process results in muscles that appear fuller and more energized. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall well-being. The gut microbiome consists of a diverse community of bacteria. Honey can enhance the presence of beneficial bacteria in the intestines. Beneficial bacteria contribute to improved gut health, and improved gut health can lead to better digestion and nutrient absorption. Therefore, honey can be a valuable addition to a gut-healthy diet. Honey consumption can lead to a perceived increase in energy levels. This effect is visually represented by a radiant golden light emanating from within a human silhouette. The light symbolizes the natural energy boost derived from honey's properties. Expanding energy waves further illustrate the body's absorption and utilization of this energy. The stomach's inner lining shows signs of inflammation. Redness and irritation indicate an adverse reaction. This inflammation is caused by excessive honey intake. Golden residue suggests honey's presence in the stomach. The residue contributes to the observed stomach irritation. An allergic reaction to honey manifests as an adverse immune response. This reaction occurs when the body mistakenly identifies honey components as harmful. The immune system then releases chemicals to defend against these perceived threats. This immune response can trigger a variety of symptoms, including skin inflammation. Red inflamed patches on the skin are a common visual indicator of this allergic reaction. These skin symptoms are a direct result of the body's defensive response to honey allergens. After honey consumption, the bloodstream experiences an influx of glucose particles. These glucose particles are visually represented as glowing, indicating their elevated presence. The sudden increase in glucose concentration leads to a state of hyperglycemia. This condition is characterized by blood sugar levels exceeding the normal range. The blood vessels undergo slight distension due to the increased volume and concentration of glucose. This stretching of blood vessels is a direct consequence of the rapid blood sugar spike. A sugar crash occurs after the rapid consumption of sugars, such as from honey. The body experiences an initial surge of energy due to elevated blood glucose levels. Following this peak, insulin is released to regulate blood sugar, often leading to a sharp decline. This rapid drop in blood glucose results in reduced cellular energy and a feeling of fatigue. Organs may appear less energized, reflecting the body's depleted state after the sugar crash. The process begins with a human consuming honey. A transparent skin effect is used to visualize internal organs. This allows for a detailed view of the initial consumption process. The camera movement enhances the visualization. It provides a dynamic perspective of the internal anatomy. This technique offers an educational insight into the body's response to honey intake. Honey enters the stomach, initiating the digestive process. The stomach walls facilitate the breakdown of honey. This process involves both mechanical and chemical digestion. Nutrients from the honey are then absorbed into the bloodstream. The small intestine is the primary site for nutrient absorption. Nutrients from digested food, such as honey, pass through the intestinal walls. These nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. The bloodstream then transports these nutrients to cells throughout the body. Nutrients ingested are systematically distributed throughout the body. This distribution ensures each organ receives necessary energy and building block. The process begins with absorption absorption in the digestive system, absorb nutrients, then enter the bloodstream for transport. The circulatory system facilitates the delivery of nutrients to individual cells. Organs utilize these nutrients for various functions, including growth and repair.